What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be remaking the 200 sub on Western Cat. Here we go.
We hit.
Oh my god! I just hit 200 subscribers. Definitely did not use bots. So I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, guys, I am so happy right now. And I am gonna do a face reveal.
1/4 of my face.
I hope
the more you guys subscribe, the more
Shy.
quarters of my face will be revealed. Oh my god. So cool.
Cute faces. What the hell, eyes? Cute eyes. Can't turn into fox. Starts turning powers.
Okay.
Yeah, you sure you did 3 weeks of 200 more subscribers, Lester Cat. No, I'm not bullying you. No, I don't want to start another drama. Okay, guys. I know, don't bully me, but like I'm just so hot. Yeah, guys, you could just don't bully me.